Yo, hello everyone. In this short course, I'm going to show you how to design an amazing dashboard like what you can see on my screen. I know a lot of people want to get started in Power BI, but they don't know how to start. Or even though you have been using Power BI before, but you don't know how to create an amazing dashboard. So make sure you watch this course to the end. It's just like almost probably 1-2 hours you finish this entire course. It's not even up to 2 hours, right? So we're going to learn how to build amazing dashboard like this. We'll be using the Adidas US sales data set to be able to do that. So this is the home page of the dashboard we're going to build, and you can see that these are just different states in the United States, and you can as well click the slicer here just to fill down these states down by different regions and to know which particular state is doing well in that region. And this shows like New York, right? And basically this is just a design here. We have 3 pages actually for this dashboard. So if I click on products page, it's going to take me to the product page where I have the further analysis of each of the products, where you can actually filter your product by different things. I want to see the men's apparel, I want to see the men's athletic footwear, so you can filter by different product set, and as you are clicking different products, your entire dashboard is changing, and everything in this dashboard is very interactive. And you can see some things like a slicer here, so you click and change and see the price based on different retailers here, right? From Amazon, you can see the average price of this particular product on Amazon. You can see the total units sold so far for this product is 2000, and this is the change to prior year, and this is the total sales made so far on this particular product. And at the top here you can see different buttons that you can use to navigate to different places. So if I click deep insight, so we're going to create this deep inside page dashboard as well, so you'll be able to see what report you can actually come up with, and different interesting dashboard you can build with this. And we also have another page here called trend analysis, so we also explore building this page as well and how to build this page as well. So this is the dashboard we're going to build, so make sure you stay to the end of this course, and make sure you watch everything to the end. And once you are done, please do a screenshot of your report, or probably publish your report to the Power BI service, extract the public link and share it on LinkedIn, and make sure you tag me. I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you.